The Schlage Encode and Encode Plus smart locks seamlessly integrate with Apple HomeKit, allowing control via the Home app. This integration offers features like Siri voice control and automated routines. Pairing requires a stable Bluetooth connection and an Apple ID. Firmware version 4.2, released in 2025, enhances Matter protocol support, improving cross-platform compatibility. Let's dive into how to connect your Schlage Encode to Apple Home. HomeKit uses Bluetooth Low Energy or Thread for secure, encrypted connections between devices. Pairing the Schlage Encode involves scanning a QR code on the lock's interior or entering a 9-digit setup code in the Home app. Once paired, the lock appears as a HomeKit accessory, enabling remote control, scheduling, and automation features. Security is paramount with HomeKit's end-to-end encryption and Schlage's AES 256 encryption. First, ensure your Schlage Encode lock is powered with fresh batteries and positioned within 10 to 15 meters of your iPhone or iPad for a stable Bluetooth connection. Next, open the Apple Home app on your device. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner and select Add Accessory from the menu. From the list of available accessories, select Schlage Encode to begin the pairing process. Scan the QR code on the lock or manually enter the 9-digit setup code. The lock will beep or flash to confirm successful pairing. Finally, assign a room and name to the lock in the app. Test by locking and unlocking remotely and create automation scenes like Goodnight to lock all doors. Troubleshooting common pairing errors starts with addressing Bluetooth issues. If you see accessory not found, ensure no interference from other Bluetooth devices nearby. You can also reset the lock by removing and reinserting the batteries. For setup code problems, first check for any typos when entering the code, or use the physical code found on the lock itself. If that doesn't work, perform a factory reset by holding the Schlage button for 10 seconds until the lock beeps. If the Home app crashes, begin by updating iOS to the latest version. You can also try restarting your device or reinstalling the Home app entirely. Additionally, update the firmware through the Schlage app to fix any compatibility bugs. For persistent pairing issues with your Schlage Encode and Apple HomeKit, advanced fixes include using the troubleshooting tool in the Schlage app or contacting support for a reset code. Additionally, ensure your Apple ID has two-factor authentication enabled to enhance security during setup. Finally, verify the lock is within appropriate range of your HomeKit hub, such as a HomePod or Apple TV, to maintain a stable connection. The smart lock market is experiencing rapid growth, primarily driven by increasing emphasis on home security in today's world. This trend is fueled by rising concerns about safety and convenience, leading more households to adopt connected devices. Looking ahead, expect deeper integration of artificial intelligence in smart locks. Features like predictive unlocking based on user behavior patterns will become common, allowing doors to open automatically when recognized routines are detected. Schlage is anticipated to release the Encode Pro model by 2027, incorporating advanced facial recognition technology. This biometric feature will enhance security by requiring visual confirmation in addition to codes or keys. Broader Internet of Things trends are shaping the future, including energy-efficient TMILIS thread networks that enable low-power communication between devices. This technology supports reliable connectivity in smart home ecosystems. Another important trend is the adoption of quantum-resistant encryption to protect against future cyber threats. As quantum computing advances, smart locks will need stronger encryption methods to maintain security integrity. For sustainability, newer Schlage models are shifting to rechargeable batteries, reducing environmental impact and maintenance needs. This eco-friendly approach aligns with broader industry efforts towards sustainable technology. Homeowners have successfully integrated the Encode Plus with HomePod speakers and Ring security cameras to create automated secure entry routines, significantly reducing forgotten lockouts by 30%, according to user reports. Tech reviews, such as those from CNET, demonstrate that pairing the Schlage Encode can be completed successfully in under 5 minutes, though firmware glitches may occasionally cause delays in Siri voice commands. Marriott Hotels has integrated Encode locks across 100 properties, enabling keyless entry through HomeKit-compatible iPads which resulted in a 15% improvement in guest satisfaction scores based on internal metrics. Some users have encountered unpaired accessory errors following iOS updates, but these issues are typically resolved by performing a lock reset and repairing through the Home app. Tech reviewers praise Schlage's HomeKit integration for its ease of use, but caution against over-reliance on apps. Apple engineers note Matter adoption has improved pairing reliability. Cybersecurity experts advise regular firmware updates to mitigate risks. Schlage reports 85% of Encode owners achieve successful HomeKit pairing on the first try. Smart home errors like connectivity failures affect 15% of users, but app fixes resolve 80% of issues.